but I'll tell you how it's supposed to be. So here, no, what they're saying, we'll go through the grammar part first, and then we'll go to the other part. So this person, okay, the dash, this is the subject, and object. This is the object, whole object. So huge object is there till the end, it's all object. So we need verb. So what can be the verb? Was, received can come because next to helping verb VD can come. It's V2, normal present tense, it is V2. It can also come. Had received can also come if it's past perfect. Is received cannot come because whenever we have is, am, are, was, were, next word should be ed or ing. You cannot write this one. So we have three options to choose from. We have to read through and then we can lock it. Now, Professor Couch has distinguished this is who has dash, a crucial role. This is a collocation one. Without reading anything, no, we got our answer played. Someone can play a role only. Whenever it's crucial role, important role, pivotal role, played will come. Do is deer, no, female deer. To the female deer, we call do. So it's noun, no, and we need who has had, sorry. V3 should be there. So led is V3, played is V3, and found is also V3. Find, found. But do is a noun. Okay, female deer. Okay, so any and played a crucial role, important role is a collocation. Now, a finding dash led to. They led to who we use for person who is going there. A finding they led to, they is for more than one person. Okay, people. Not making sense. Those leads to, is it? If findings are there, then those can make sense. So which lead to? Which makes more sense. So without reading anything, no, we got our answer which. Things, for things we can use, which. And for person also sometimes we can use which, but mostly for the you know things we use which. Okay, and then here if you see as a result of, instead of, in addition to, regarding, we don't know here, no, these kind of introductory adverbs are there, no, we should know what they're saying. If they're talking about something, they're talking, and are they talking about its result, or are they saying instead of doing this, do this, or are they adding any information, or regarding something they're saying something. So we need to read through for this one to solve this one. So here Victoria University of Wellington has conferred an honorary degree on a distinguished astrophysicist in a recent graduate ceremony. So this university, Victoria University of Wellington, no, they have conferred an honorary degree on distinguished astrophysicist in their recent graduation ceremony. So Professor Very Couch, no, the dash, honorary degree of Doctor of Science for his remarkable contribution to our knowledge of galaxies and dark energy. So Professor Very Couch was received. See, in the recent, here they said in a recent graduation ceremony. Was received not making sense. Had received is not making sense because received, had received is past perfect. Okay. So when do we use simple past? We can use to describe any action that are now just completed. Okay. But no longer in present, but just completed now only. I just got my parcel. Okay. But the present perfect describes completed events that took place in the past before another past event, which has been done already. So present perfect, no. It just in recent ceremony, he received an award, you know. So it's not there, it's the context is not in the past tense. So it cannot make sense. Other things cannot make sense. And then Professor Couch is a distinguished astrophysicist who has played a crucial role in discovering that universe is expanding at an accelerating rate, a finding which led to lead scientists being awarded, you know, which lead scientists being awarded a Nobel Prize in physics in 2011, sorry, which he attended in recognition of his contribution. In his research, Professor Couch uses large ground-based and space-based telescopes to observe galaxy clusters, which are the largest structure in the universe. He is also, he not only just uses this, he not only did this, He's also involved in number of national and international committees, overseeing and supervising the management of these telescopes. Also, like after that, I don't know, we have to read through his own research activities, you know, uh, his own research activities. Professor Couch has worked to support young researchers and provide public comment on astronomy internationally. So, as a result of his own research, they're not talking about any result. Instead of his own research, no, they didn't say that. Regarding no, in addition to his own research activities, Professor Couch has worked to support youngster because he also involved in this. In addition, it's chronological. In addition to his own research activities, Professor Couch has worked to support young researchers and provide public comment on astronomy internationally. So in addition to is also there, no? In addition to his own research. As a result of his own result, something, you will see the result. Instead of his own result, he is doing someone else's result. Regarding of his own result. So let me know, guys, if it's clear to all of you.